Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and basically what we are doing today is we're going to be fixing up your computer and optimizing it to the optimal performance that you will be able to run games with no lag or stutter. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, go ahead and open up the start menu and click on the settings tab, and in here you're going to want to go to the system tab. In here, go to the notifications and just disable all notifications from the computer. From there, go to remote desktop and turn this off as well. Go to the home and click on apps. From here, go to the apps and features tab and disable anything that is unuseful or that you do not use, even if it's a Microsoft product or Microsoft thing. So like the Microsoft Edge, if you don't use it, or the messaging app, go ahead and click the uninstall button and uninstall it. After that, go ahead and click the home button and go back to gaming tab. Now from the game bar selection area, or whatever you want to call it, go ahead and just turn this off. It can cause a lot of FPS drops. And go to the game mode and also turn this off. Click on the home button, go to the ease of access, basically turn everything off in here pretty much. So like the closed captions, magnifier, and narrator, just turn it all off. Go to the home once again, go to privacy, and go to the location tab and disable the location services. Go to the camera, also turn off camera. Microphone, turn off the microphone, except if you use something like the Xbox application that comes with Windows 10, then do not turn this off, or you can just disable everything else and just keep on the Xbox like I have here. Now after that, go ahead and go down to the background apps. Turn this off, it's 100% unnecessary and it's gonna waste a lot of your CPU usage. After that, go to your app diagnostics and turn this off. This will help your computer a lot. Once you're done with that, go to the home and we are done. So X out, and once you're done with that, go ahead and go to the run box. So just go ahead and type in here, or click on the Windows key and R and type in %temp% and enter. Now it's going to bring this up, and you're just going to want to go ahead and delete everything from here. And it's not going to let you delete something that's important or that's being used, so just click do this for all current items and click skip. From there, go ahead and X out, Windows key R once again, and type in prefetch this time. Click OK and delete anything that's in here that is unnecessary, or just delete everything actually, and it won't let you delete it if it's important once again. Now go ahead and click on Windows key R once again, the last time, and type in msconfig. Click OK, and it's going to bring up this system configuration tab. Go ahead and go to the boot section and copy all these settings right here: 3-second timeout time and no GUI boot. And then go to your advanced options, select the number of processors, and go down to the number of cores that your computer has. My computer has a 4-core processor in it, and if you have like an 8-core, go ahead and select 8, or pretty much that. Go ahead and click OK and apply. Go to the services tab, unselect anything that is unuseful, such as the Adobe Flash Player update service. I think that's definitely unuseful and is going to bring down your gaming like performance, so I went ahead and turned that off all the way. And then just go ahead and click the apply and OK, and exit without restarting. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to the task manager. So right click on the taskbar and go to task manager. In here we're going to go to the performance tab, and as you can see, if you have spikes, your computer is definitely not working properly. So this will help with those spikes, random spikes. Unless your computer is old and you have an old CPU, then there's pretty much no help on that. Go to the startup tab and disable anything in the startup tab that you do not want enabled, and this will help a lot with your gaming performance. Go to the services tab and disable any services that you think are unnecessary. Once again, this is definitely another thing that will make your computer run faster. Go ahead, X out, and now we're going to go to the control panel. So just go ahead and open up the control panel, go to the uninstall program, and uninstall any unnecessary items or sketchy items that you may not know that were installed on your computer. I don't know, maybe like a virus or something. Sometimes a virus won't even let you delete it, so who knows, maybe download Malwarebytes, which I'll have a link in the description for. And basically once you're done with that, go ahead and go to the home of the control panel, click on the System and Security tab, and System once again. From here, go to the Advanced System Settings, and click on the Performance Settings tab. From here, just go ahead and copy all these, and maybe select some that you do want, definitely for your computer, and just click the Apply and OK button. This is really going to help your computer reach its maximum performance level that it will be able to reach. Click the OK button, go to the remote, and don't allow remote connections to this computer, just select that, and we'll be done in there. So X out of that, and now that we're done with that, now we're onto the application side of things. So basically you're going to want to open up the applications that I have linked in the description, and we're going to open up Spybot Anti-Beacon first. And once this opens, we will be good. So go ahead and click Immunize. Optional, go ahead and apply the ones that are optional. I always apply those. Go ahead and click Close. Start menu once again, or open up the desktop or shortcut that you maybe have on your desktop, and click on Advanced System Care 11. Now in here, go ahead and click the Select All button and click Scan. I'm not going to scan right now because it takes a very long time for it to scan and be able to run perfect. So just go ahead and do that at the end of the video or something, or just pause the video, do it right now, and come back and watch the rest of the video. So now we're going to go to the Speed Up tab here. We're going to turn, this will be off, sorry, this will be off normally. So just go ahead and click the Turn On button, and basically what this is going to do is release all the RAM that is unnecessary. So maybe you have 4 gigs of RAM in your computer, and there is 1,000 megabytes in a gigabyte. So when you're using 500 megabytes of unnecessary RAM, that's going to slow down your computer and make it slower opening things like that. No, that's bad. Just opening things. I don't know how to put it. So like it'll open things faster like that because it has more RAM. I don't know. Just go ahead and do that, and then click Optimize if that needs to be optimized. I don't know. And just click the X button and go to the Start menu once again and go to Driver Booster 5. This is the next application that will help your computer a lot and will make your computer run to its top performance level. Go ahead, and there may be a Scan Now button, and scan and update all drivers at the same time and restart your computer. I guarantee your computer will run faster. Guaranteed. So go ahead and X out of that. Go to the Start menu, open up CCleaner. This one is also going to help a lot. I'm not going to upload or download the driver, or not the driver, damn it, the update yet. I'm not going to do that yet. So just go ahead, you'll see all these. Go to the applications. If you have Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, go ahead and select all of these and click the Analyze button. This is going to take a really long time for my computer to do, so I'm actually not going to run all. So once you're done with that, go ahead and X out and go to the Timer Resolution. And this one, pretty easy. Go ahead and set to maximum, and then just X out. That's done. That's it, and it's going to make your computer run faster and smoother. As you can see, it opens up pretty smooth. After that, basically what we're going to go ahead and do is open up the, you're going to right click on there, on the Windows logo, and click on Disk Management. In here, if you have a ton of photos or videos, just go ahead and make a new volume. So let's say I have this, I have 708 gigabytes free, so I'll just go ahead and make 10 gigabyte shrink. So we're basically, you're gonna right click and click shrink volume, and Once this loads, it's gonna pop up a little screen, and it's gonna basically be like you're installing something. So yeah, right here. So we're just gonna do 10,000 because there's 10,000 megabytes and 10 gigabytes. So just click shrink, and once you're done with that, it will go create the volume. It's taking a very long time. It is now unallocated, so basically right click, click new simple volume, and click next. Select the amount of RAM or the megabytes that you want it to make, and click next. Select the folder drive letter, so like the C drive, and all of that is going to be that. It's basically going to be that letter, sorry. And just click next, and rename it, so we'll just name this one photos, and click next, and finish. Being stupid, photos, and finish. Okay, so there's something wrong with my computer right now that's not allowing actually create this. So basically what you're going to want to do, go ahead and just do what I was doing, create a photos one and a videos one, and go ahead and put all your videos and photos into those separate drive locations. Basically what you're doing is you're making 3 different hard drives when you only have one, and this is definitely going to speed up your computer, because when you go to search for stuff in the Cortana or something like that, you're going to save a lot of space. You're going to save a lot of time, and it's going to be a lot smoother and faster when you open things. So basically that's it for today. Basically, thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Go ahead and drop a like and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot.